Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to post videos on your Instagram Threads app. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to post a video on Threads? I just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on your profile and click on the center option, which is a post option. Just click this. Now you just type whatever the caption that you needed. For example, here just going to type as video footage. Okay. Now click on this icon to deliver the to or add the videos to the threads. So after selecting the video, you just confirm it and just play it and just click on the post option. Now automatically the video started to posting. You can see it has been processed. So before posting, you can't delete the video, so you can't see the three dots on the post video option. So now it's posted. Now you just click on this three dot. You will have the option to delete the post, or who can reply. You can choose who should reply this for this video post, profile you follow or mentioned only, or anyone. So and also you will have another option to hide the like count if you want, or you can just click on the delete option and delete the video post immediately. And you can just like, share, or comment and repost. You can just click on and view on the bigger screen. This is how you just post the videos on your threads profile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.